President Trump calls the violence in Chicago a scourge.
It's worse than Afghanistan.
The tension's boiling over.
Chicago is the epicenter of multiple things exploding at one time. We are the powder keg of the United States.
And people act like Chicago has nothing. We have so many amazing young artists.
Here in Chicago, I feel like a lot of teenagers don't get the chance to tell their story, what they're going through.
Think about the reality of Chicago the next time you hear about us on the news. As an 18-year-old in Chicago, this is really how my life goes.
We wanted to give students from that community of Chicago a platform and the tools to tell their untold stories.
Chicago Untold Stories is a mobile filmmaking program where we really want to give voice to the voiceless.
It's a program where teens around my age get to make documentaries, and it's great.
Chicago Untold Stories helped me create content with minimal equipment.
I better myself as a filmmaker.
Making videos that make people smile.
Learning about different editing softwares and new tools to help me grow my brand.
Help us solve our own problems in our own communities.
And also help me network with corporations such as Apple and OWC.
They don't teach it in school. Instead, we look at graphs of the extinction of penguins.
We have the ability to change how people view Chicago. Our voices can finally be heard.
Our voice matters because we're the ones experiencing life.
You never know what people are dealing with. That's the untold part.
During the program, Chicago really had a tough time. It really showed through the things that we created.
Growing up in Chicago, being a person of color, you don't get many opportunities to be my age.
I really shut down mentally and physically. Being fed up of the injustice, of the pain, of the hurt.
Stop being surprised when y'all see this outrage.
But not everything was negative. It helped us to educate ourselves, perfect our crafts, and connect with people more deeply.
We all worked together and communicated our thoughts to make a good script.
These students were able to bring their own 21st century perspective.
It was really exciting to see them progress to the level where they were making films high quality enough to get paid and winning competitions.
I feel like I definitely learned how to trust myself as a creator.
It's everything I expected to be and then some.
It's so crazy how in our pocket we have the key to create whatever you want to create.
They're all humans with incredible potential who are changing the world.
I just really wanted some dope videos.